Good medical morning. This is Watson from World's Greatest Medical, and today we're going to look at some of my favorite recent pops from the subreddit Popping. We're also going to take a look at our thumbnail image. Let's determine if it's real or fake. But first, check out a few incredible clips. Click that subscribe button and the notification bell for updates. We also have pimple popping tools in the link below for anyone who wants to pop in style. They're an amazing way to pop pimples the right way. Not exactly pimples, but this is an interesting bread clip. Meanwhile, this pickled onion may be my favorite of the week. Let's call it an onion cyst. Click like if you enjoyed that one. Also, remember to practice good hygiene when popping. Wash the affected area with soap and water. Use clean hands and sterile equipment. Of course, a pimple popper kit is your best friend. So back to the image. It's fortunate that I recognize the image in the center. It's from Dr. Sandra Lee, YouTube's greatest popper. Click like if you love her work too.
Hi guys, this is Alexa with a shout out for the team at Thinergy. You guys are helping people lose weight so they can look great. Keep working hard for those beach bodies to make this year your best one ever. Make every day count, and I love every single one of you. Thank you guys. Love, Alexa.